Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied tutorial series. In this video, we will be covering the biographic information tile in the personal information quadrant. To begin, click on the personal information quadrant and then click on the biographic information tile. In the first section, your name. This section pulls in information you entered when you created your account. This should reflect your legal name. Your next section is the alternate name. If you are sending any documentation or test scores in which your name is listed differently than what appears on your application, select yes in this section and enter the alternate information. This ensures that your documents and test scores are matched to your application. Your next section is preferred name. If you commonly use a preferred first or middle name that differs from your legal name, select yes in this section and enter the preferred information. The next section is legal sex. Select the appropriate option to your legal sex. Select responses to these subsequent questions regarding your sexual orientation, and there's a drop-down to assist you with that. Your gender identity, drop-down also, and gender expression, drop-down also. The next section is your birth information. Enter your date of birth. You can type in this information, or you can use the calendar icon to help you. Make sure that you enter your date of birth correctly. Next, you're going to select your country of birth, and there is a drop-down to help you with that. Your city, you will type that in. Your state or province, there's a drop-down to assist you with that. And your county, there's a drop-down to assist you with that also. In some cases, incorrect entry of your date of birth could directly impact your eligibility for financial aid. The next section is the applicant information. Please note that this is an optional question area. These questions are up to the discretion of the applicant to answer. Note that once you have answered all of the asterisk required questions, you can save and move on to the next section. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.